Have you been bit by the baking bug? Our comprehensive review covers 5 of the best cake pans available, so you can take your baking to the next level. We researched dozens of the top pans on the market before settling on a variety to subject to side-by-side testing. We tested everything from classic round and square pans, to angel food cake and bundt tube pans, to springform pans and sets. Our kitchen experts baked a lot of cakes to help clarify important characteristics like cooking performance and versatility. Whether you are looking to replace an old pan or hoping to bake your first tiered cake, our review will help you find that perfect pan for your kitchen. Our teams of culinary experts have tested and rated the top kitchen products. We've discovered the ins and outs of a plethora of cooking tools, ranging from the most accurate kitchen scales to the best stand mixers for prepping batter. There are numerous options for cheap best cake pan, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best cake pan from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. All-Clad Pro-Release 9 Pan. From unsurpassed durability to an ergonomic design, the All-Clad Pro-Release 9 Pan checks all the boxes of a professional-grade cake pan. There is a common thread among the best pans we test: aluminized steel. This material combines the heating and cooling benefits of aluminum with the uniform heat distribution of steel, resulting in superior baking performance. This is also one of the few pans tested with a PFOA-free nonstick coating that is reinforced with ceramic, which, like enameled Dutch ovens, helps the pan withstand scratches, stains, and scrapes. Wide handles make this pan easy to maneuver, allowing you to tap out air bubbles, keeping the batter even so you can produce perfectly level cakes. Though subtle, the 9 diameter is also a nice improvement over standard 8 round pans, which might just allow you to squeeze 1 or 2 more cinnamon rolls in. The All-Clad Pro-Release pan is highly responsive to temperature changes, and therefore requires some monitoring to ensure even baking. Number 2. Wilton Perfect Results Non-Stick 8 Square, Set of 2. You don't have to sacrifice value for durability with the Wilton Perfect Results 8 Square pan. As a testament to longevity, our lead tester's mother has baked brownies in these pans for decades. The pan's hardy steel construction cooks with an even heat distribution and temperature profile that is great for more than just a simple sheet cake like a brownie. We particularly love the large, wing-like handles that make these pans easy to remove from the oven. Like all generic PFC-based nonstick coatings, we would love to see the one on this pan replaced with something more natural, like a ceramic-based coating, even if it detracts a bit from the overall durability. While we didn't notice any flaking during our testing period, we know from previous experience that these will mildly scratch and scour over time, especially if you are rough on them or cut into your dessert with any kind of metal utensils. Number 3. Chicago Metallic Non-Stick 3-Piece Set. From tiered cakes to a batch of cinnamon rolls, the Chicago Metallic 3-Piece Set is a collection of round pans that allows for versatility in your baking creations. This set includes a 6, 8, and 10 pan. When directly compared to other sets, the larger diameters make these pans more adaptable to a variety of kitchen tasks. The BPA-free, though not PTFE-free, coating is remarkably non-stick, with 0 residue left in the pan after an effortless cake release. Their heat distribution is consistent, due in large part to the heavyweight carbon steel construction, which also increases durability. Although we love the size of these pans for versatility, plan on increasing your quantities at least when baking a tiered cake, as they are a little too large for a single cake recipe. Number 4. Hiware 6 Non-Stick Springform. No baker's cupboard is complete without a springform pan, and the Hiware 6 Springform is a durable option, thanks to its lightweight steel construction and stainless steel buckle. Springform pans are noted for their versatility and for excelling in baking delicate, crusted desserts and dishes, like cheesecakes. Not only is this pan thoughtfully designed to last, but Hiware graciously includes 50 pre-cut parchment linings. This pan is available in 6, 7, 8, and 10 diameters, and all are designed to fit either a 6 or 8 quart pressure cooker. We really appreciate the chemical-free coating on this pan, but concede to the irony of wishing that it was more non-stick. Despite the springform design and pre-cut parchment inserts, we still had to use a knife to separate the graham cracker crust of our cheesecake from the bottom of the pan. fortunately. Number 5. Fat Daddio's Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan. Whether you are already a pastry chef or a soon-to-be cake boss, the Fat Daddio's Anodized Aluminum Round Cake Pan might be your next set of professional bakeware. From the pro perspective, hard anodized aluminum construction is lightweight, durable, and offers incredibly rapid temperature adjustment. For the home baker, the set perfectly fits the batter from a single recipe, even a single box cake mix. And the 3, 5, and 7 pans offer versatility at an affordable price. Why we make the distinction that these are best suited for a professional kitchen comes down to cleaning. These pans have a non-reactive finish which reduces chemical residue or off-putting metallic taste. But without a coating. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.